and Orlando Antigua. And the head coach for the Dominican Republic, John Calipari. And now, Romarina, let's meet the pros. A 2010 SEC champion and member of the 2010 SEC All-Tournament team and SEC All-Freshman team, the 18th pick in the 2010 NBA Draft from the Los Angeles Clippers, number 5, Eric Bledsoe. The 2001 and 2003 SEC Tournament MVP, the 2003 SEC Player of the Year, the 2003 All-American, the 43rd pick in the 2003 NBA Draft from the Chicago Bulls, number 10, Keith Morgan. A 1998 first team All-SEC and All-SEC Tournament selection, 1996 and 98 NCAA champion, the 29th pick in the 1998 NBA Draft, 2005 World Champion from the Oklahoma City Thunder, number 13, Nazem Morales. As picked by the fans, the starting lineup for the pros. Kentucky's single-season steals leader, the 21st pick in the 2006 NBA Draft, a two-time NBA All-Star, two-time NBA All-Defensive Team selection, and 2008 World Champion from the Boston Celtics, number 9, Rajon Rondo. The 2010 SEC Freshman of the Year, 2010 First Team All-SEC and All-SEC Tournament, the 2010 All-American, the 5th pick in the 2010 NBA Draft from the Sacramento Kings, number 15, DeMarcus Cousins. A 2007 All-SEC Freshman selection, 2009 First Team All-SEC, the Kentucky record holder for points in the game with 54. The 41st pick in the 2009 NBA Draft from the Los Angeles 76ers, number 23, Jody Meeks. A 2001 First Team All-SEC selection and SEC Tournament MVP, a 2001 All-American and the 2001 SEC Player of the Year, the 23rd pick in the 2002 NBA Draft, 2004 World Champion from the Detroit Pistons, number 32, Tayshaun Prince. 2010 First Team All-SEC and All-American, the 2010 SEC Tournament MVP, the 2010 Adolph Rupp Trophy winner, 2010 SEC Player of the Year, the number 1 overall pick in the 2010 NBA Draft from the Washington Wizards, number 11, John Wall. Coaching the pros tonight, please welcome co-coach Danny Crown. Joe B. Hall. Please welcome the assistant coach for the pros.